shelf, cone shelf. Where's someone? High center, high center. High center, high center. So you gotta get on the cone shelf. Place this one mid-open. Mid-open. Okay, nice. Go get another one. Another cone shelf. Another cone. Minute left.
Get a cube, get a cube.
Cube, just in the cube, yeah. All right, place this one mid-open, mid-open. All right, go get the cone now. Okay, so place that mid-open, mid-open. All right, 42 seconds. All right, go get another shelf cone, another shelf cone. Place this one center. Mid-center, mid-center. Okay, nice, nice. Store charge, 22 seconds, go get a cube. Got a cube, time. Place this one higher in front of us.